In this video, we will explain automatic replies to comments during live streaming. Live streaming is similar to regular posts. We use the comment growth tool to access the settings interface. If you have watched our previous tutorial videos, you should be familiar with this interface. Here, we won't go into detail about the settings. You can find detailed instructions for all the settings in the previous section. Our main focus here is to let you know that when doing Facebook live streaming, we can also provide automatic replies to anyone who leaves a comment below our live stream. We can remind them to check their inbox and send them the first automatic reply message from the inbox. The settings here are the same. We can choose the full page campaign or by latest post. If your replies during the live streaming process are relatively simple and uniform, you can use the full page campaign and avoid making specific settings. However, if you want to prompt your audience to enter a specific keyword or code during the live streaming process and provide different replies based on different codes, you can choose by latest post. Once our live streaming starts, our post will appear at the top of by latest post. Therefore, we can use template to make the settings. Suppose this is my live streaming post. Now, I can click on the gear icon and then click Enable to reply. If we're not using template, we need to click No here and start making the settings. The instructional video for these settings is explained in detail in the previous section, so I won't repeat it here. If we want to start from scratch with the settings, it will take a long time. Therefore, we recommend using template for the settings. If we have pre-made templates, we only need to select the template here, click Submit, and then click OK. This way, my live streaming post is already set up for automatic replies. Now, how do we create a template? We can go to the comment growth tool and click on Reply Template. Here, we can create a new template and set the content. After setting it up, click Save, and the template will appear here. Later, if you're doing live streaming or other posts and want to use the template for replies, you can click here and directly select the template. This way, we don't need to repeat the settings. And if it's a live streaming scenario, the setup can be completed quickly. When setting up the template, the interface is the same as when we set up automatic replies for post comments. First, we can select a fan page. In the middle, if you have any negative keywords you want to automatically block, you can enter them here. Alternatively, you can jump directly to the lower section. Typically, we open all three options. Yes means we will reply multiple times if the commenter leaves more than one comment. Enable auto comment and auto like the comment. The last option is if you want to automatically hide the comments of the person leaving the comment. You can also select yes. Then choose whether to reply with a keyword or regardless of the content of the comment. If you haven't watched the tutorial on post-comment automatic replies in the previous section, you can refer to these previous tutorials to see some details of the settings. That concludes the tutorial on automatic replies to live streaming comments.